Mental Health Awareness Month may be winding down, but farmers and ranchers are getting into their busiest and most stressful months of the year. Our Julia Thomas has more on how farm families can support each other and what resources are available to handle those unique stressors in agriculture.
Unpredictable weather conditions, machinery breakdowns, large amounts of debt, and production uncertainty are only a few examples of the high-stress situations that farm families are facing. Jolie Foreman, director of Shelby County Cares, shares some startling statistics in her county.
When we started looking at the data for Shelby County and going through the numbers, we realized that between 2011 and 2021, we had lost 15 lives to suicide. And since then, we have lost 6 additional lives to suicide. And we kind of started looking into who is that person, why, and peeled back those layers. And we found that it was the average age is 60, a white male with very close ties to the agricultural community. Not all of them by any means, but a large majority of them.
Lily White is a licensed clinical social worker at Shelby County Cares. She says during the busy season, it is also just as important to support farm wives as it is the husbands.
When you're married to a farmer, you go through, periods of change with the seasons, planting, harvest, calving season, where your family unit is basically, the husband's the head of the household. That's disrupted when he is gone from sunup to midnight, planting, harvesting, calving. So a lot of those roles are then placed on the wife or the spouse.
Foreman tells us that having difficult conversations like mental health are tougher with men, but urges fathers to start having conversations, especially with their sons who are growing up in agriculture early. Shelby County Cares does provide access to mental health services and outreach not only for Shelby County, but all of Northeast Missouri. The Missouri Department of Agriculture has a page with mental health resources for both individuals in and out of agriculture. The link to that page is on our website, along with the warning signs. I'm Julia Thomas reporting.